Hi there! Today I'm going to sew a leather sheath for a knife which I made in previous video. There are sheaths that I made. One with multi-tool I carry every day, about 2 years. Here is what we need: the vegetable tanned leather, knives, leather paint, thread, edge cut, awl, beveler, groover, ruler, diamond chisels, wax, stapler, wooden plate, glide tools, plastic wrap, self-healing cotton mat. We are start to form a sheath. I cut the piece of the leather which we need. I want to say again that the leather must be vegetable tint. I use special ink pen which can be washed off. Leather need to cut off, not greedy. We will nail the leather to the board with a stapler, and we will need the edge for the space. It is not an economic way. Cut an upper part using a ruler. Measure by eye how much space do you need to make a seam. Cut the edge. Before you start to form a sheath, take a container and size a little bigger than piece of the leather. To make the leather firm, add PVA glue, stir well. Water must be not too hot. Wait 10 minutes after you sink a leather. From time to time rumple it till it is soaked with water. Now we take a food wrap and rub the knife. It prevents from wetness. Take a wood plate that is good for stepping. I have a pine wood. Put the knife on it and cover it with leather. Keep in mind that we need a space for seam when you are stepping. Staple one side of the leather right on the edge. At this side, set the leather piece so that the knife won't go out while forming leather. There are my forming tools. I like to use an antler. Start to form a leather. Main task is to make leather fit tightly. You need to be patient. We finished the upper part of the sheath and now we need to wait about 24 hours. It is time to look at it. Well, leather has dried. Pull out staples using knife. Here you are, we have the part of the sheath. I take a divider and mark the cutting line. Do not scratch a leather binding on the end of divider. Make the side of the cut smooth by sandpaper. Now let's make another part of the sheath. I put one part over the leather and outline, then cut out. I'm going to make a belt loop. Use ruler and knife. I'm making a groove for thread by groover. Make holes for thread. I use 2 or 4 prong chisels. Spacing between prongs 5 mm. Where we have a curve, we use a 2-prong chisel. Next I cover one part with other. Fix it by awl and make holes in another part. I make a groove for thread. Make a belt loop. I use bevel. Now we are going to paint parts of sheath. Do not forget about gloves. We need to let the leather dry before sewing. How long it depends from the type of the leather. Paint has totally dried and I am going to sew. Ouch, I forgot to punch holes for the belt loop at backside. It should be sewn first. Do not forget to paint edge. Also apply edge cut. Wait and polish. I use stitching putty. I need my hands free to sew with 2 needles. I use a masking tape to keep my fingers in good condition. Take 2 needles and sew. I do not make any knots because I use a glue. Now we are going to make the longest seam. I measure thread 4 or 5 times longer than seam. I start from previous hole. Make stitch back and going onto myself. You can use pliers to pull needle out, but be careful, do not damage the needle. Cut all rough edges. Use sandpaper to make edge smooth. I apply special liquid for edge and polish. If you are not satisfied, then repeat. Here you are, we have a sheath. Thanks for watching, like, share and comment. See you later.